All right, so as you can see behind me, I got the shower house up. I put all the panels back in it and then put a bead of silicone around all the edges. Hopefully that'll keep it in. You can see I've got a 2x6 at the bottom there to make it taller, which it does help a lot because before my head was almost, I had to duck under this door. Now I don't have to duck. I don't have to duck at all. You do have to step over here, but that's fine. So yeah, there's a lot more room in here, a lot. And back there you can see the shower. Let me turn this around. So I got the shower bench in here so you can sit down while you're taking a shower. This shower head, comes off and you can use it. It's even got different spray settings on it. But I figured right here would be a good spot for it. And there's a little stand to put your soap and stuff on, and I think I might get a little coat rack and put it right here so you can hang your towel or your clothes on it. Yeah, my silicone bead work is not the prettiest, but it's okay. But there's plenty of room in here now, and I actually installed the water line. I got to put that filter back in line with it, but I got these shepherd's hooks. I also have to clean up this mess. I got these shepherd's hooks to suspend the water line, and I built a stand out of a 4x4 and mounted the Camp Lux high performance low water pressure on demand water heater. So it's got hookups down here for the water in, hot water out, and your gas valve, which I'll have a tank hooked up to that. And then it's got 2 D batteries that power it. So you basically just turn it on right here, minimum and maximum water, and then select the heat that you want right there, and you're good to go. I did discover, however, that even though that is way up there and it's 55 gallons, it's not enough pressure to push through this. So I'm gonna have to get a 12-volt inline water pump. They have those at Harbor Freight. They're like $60. And I'll get a little 12-volt battery. I'll run this line here into the pump. I'm gonna mount the pump on the back here, or the side maybe. Inline, and then out and back in. And then I'll have a 12-volt battery out here with a switch. It'll be in a box, so it'll be waterproof. I'll just put a switch, you turn the pump on, and you can start your shower. So, a little bit of a hiccup there, but that's okay. It's okay. I am basically done with this shower house. It's got a sliding door on it, so you can close the door, and it's opaque, so you can't really see in it. I mean, you can make out shapes and colors, but that's about it. Other than that, all I have left to do now is to finish putting together this grill that I got on sale. I'm gonna put it over here, put some gravel, and put the grill right there. So you can actually have a charcoal grill or wood if you want out here, in addition to the propane stove top and propane flat top. And here's the little tiki game I got, tiki toss. So you stand back and you let this loop go, and it's supposed to go up and catch on that. Just something to pass the time. All right, hope you liked the update.